Good morning, everyone. So, in our today's lecture, we will talk about talent acquisition. This is third unit's topic of the paper talent management, which is an HR specialization. So, if we talk about talent acquisition, it is basically a process of finding and acquiring skilled human labor for the organizational need and to meet any labor requirement, and when it is used in the context of recruiting an HR professional, the talent acquisition usually refers to the talent acquisition department or team within the human resource department, which are concerned with the hiring employees in the organization. So you can see that talent acquisition is a unique function of department, the HR department, and it is relatively new development in the industry because traditionally HR department was concerned with the hiring of the employees in various departments, but now they are more concerned with the acquisition of the talent in the organization. So talent acquisition is now quickly becoming unique profession, perhaps even distinct from the practices of general recruitment. Talent acquisition professionals are usually skilled not only in sourcing tactics, the candidate assessment, and the compliance with the hiring standard of the company, but also employee employment branding practices in the corporate hiring initiatives. So if we talk about the talent acquisition process, it includes all the activities which is related to acquiring human being in the organization, such as job analysis, job designing, uh, human resource planning, uh, various aspects of the process of human resource planning, questionnaire, interviews, the process of selection, all comes under talent acquisition term. So if we talk about the strategic trends in talent acquisition process, we can certainly find certain uh, parameters on the basis of which these are done. So as you see in the PPT, there are certain strategic trends when it comes to acquiring talent in the organization. So if we talk about first trend, it is recruitment marketing. So recruitment marketing strategy is based on the implementation of marketing tactics in the recruitment. The recruitment marketing is basically the process of nurturing and attracting talented individual towards your organization by using marketing method which are traditionally used for marketing of the product and services of the organization. So if we talk about the importance of recruitment marketing, it is a discipline that has been introduced as a consequence of current scenario of the labor market. Its main goal is to follow latest trend in the market and offer solutions to the companies that best overcome these new challenges in the market. Companies are first adopt these new recruitment best practices will be more likely to attract talented people in their organization. This is why recruitment marketing will be the soul of the top recruitment trends in current scenario of the business. Second latest trend is inbound recruitment, which is inbound. It is one of the recruitment marketing strategy where an organization proactively and continuously attract the candidates with the goal to make them choose your best next employer. So your goal in inbound recruitment is to attract, convert, and engage the candidates in long term. There has been a switch from outbound recruitment to inbound recruitment. Simply reaching out the candidates and offering an open position is not the way to attract talent anymore. If you are looking for a long term solution in advance your recruitment and hiring strategy, inbound recruitment strategy is best suited for that particular scenario. Third trend is employer branding. See, nowadays it is everything about branding, branding of your uh, company's image. It is not about branding of your product or services, it is about branding your overall image of the company. So employer brand is the term which is commonly used to describe an organization's reputation and popularly as an employer, and its employee value proposition, as opposed to more general corporate brand reputation and value propositions to customers. So it is not like value proposition which is you are giving to your customers. Employer branding ideas are essentially for building a strong and attractive employer brand, so that every aspirant should come to your organization and look up to your organization as a ideal employer. So if we talk about the next trend, it is candidate experience. So as the name suggests, candidate experience is finding out the potential future customers overall perception of your company's recruitment policy or recruitment procedure. It is based on candidates feeling, behavior and attitude that they are experiencing during the whole recruitment process. So whatever experience you are providing to your customers during recruitment process, it is one of the major trend to attract to attract employee towards your organization. And why to pay attention to your candidate experience? It is extremely important recruitment trend, because the candidates who uh, had a positive candidate experience in your recruitment process will be more likely to accept your job offer and reapply in the future, and also provide reference to other suitable candidates also. Now if we talk about the next trend, it is known as talent pool. So talent pool refers to a place or a what you can say, it's a database where recruiters and HR managers keep all the uh, their top job candidates. So candidate pool make not only candidate that have applied for the job, but also source referred candidates for performance of that particular job. See, imagine if every time you had a job opening, you had a pool of talent from which you can just pick the best one. So this is the reason why many recruiters have already adopted the recruitment trend and started building high quality candidate database ready to use for them. Next trend is candidate relationship management. Just like customer relationship management, the newest trend in the job market is candidate relationship management. So it is a method of managing and improving relationship with the current and potential future job candidates for your organization. Having a strong candidate relationship management is has quickly become the top trend in the job acquisition market. And see, this is relatively new concept of candidate relationship management, because it will also help you in creating that talent pool for your organization. Every prospect employee definitely want to work for your organization, and if the relationship with the candidate is managed in your organization, then definitely it will help in attracting talent towards your organization, and it will also help in coping up with the challenges in recruitment market. Next trend is social recruiting. So social recruiting is basically the recruitment process through social media channels of recruitment. This term refers to the different way of using social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, websites, blogs, forums. So these are the important weapons which is used as a recruitment tool when it comes to social media. So social recruiting goes beyond the posting current vacant position of your company. It also offers so much more, and this also a kind of verification given from the social media accounts, so that you can go and check the previous profile of the employee which you are going to be choose. So because of all the possibilities it offer, social media recruitment has become one of the top trend. Next trend is recruitment automation tool. So recruitment automation tool is basically software that use a new technology to automate the recruitment process. So automation of recruitment process has been around for a while, and just like in the form of HRIS, which is human resource information system. So these are the software by the help of which you can automate your recruitment process for various posts. Next trend is data driven recruiting and HR analytics. So data driven recruiting and HR analytics are the expressions that used to demonstrate the recruitment method, which planning and decision making are based on data acquired through HR technologies such as application tracking system, recruitment marketing platforms. So if we talk about the importance of data driven recruiting, so using data driven metrics, a recruitment trend can give you some great insight on the part of your hiring strategies is working well or not. So paying attention to your HR analytics and using data driven recruitment method is basically here to improve some of the most important hiring metrics, such as uh, when to hire, the cost of hiring, and the quality of hiring. Next trend is known as employee referral. So employee referral program is not very new trend in the market, but it is gaining pace as the time pass on, because uh, with the help of employee referral, the cost of recruitment will also go down, and uh, there is no fear of the for the person to not accepting the overall organizational culture. And also employees feel motivated because they are contributing towards the recruitment and selection process in the organization, and in return employee also gives certain referral bonuses. So this is one of the important trend. Next trend is talent sourcing. So proactive talent sourcing has become must have recruitment strategy, because nowadays various services within an organization are outsourced. So in the continuation, talent is also one of the thing which can be outsourced throughout for your organization, because so that you can focus on the more important things for your organization. Next is collaborative hiring. So collaborative hiring is hiring method in which both HR teams and the team from the other departments for which they are hiring work together to find and hire talent. So it is not a newest trend, but it is here from the long time. So collaborative hiring is extremely important, and it is significantly improving the quality of new hirings. Next trend is known as structured interview. So structured interview also becoming nowadays very popular among many employees, uh, because of their advantages, because it is very effective. There is an certain kind of objectiveness in structured interview. It could be fair also, and there are less legal formalities when it comes to structured interview case. So basically, to avoid biasness of interviewer, structured interviews are the best format for the acquiring talent in your organization. And the last trend is strategic alignment. So the recruitment and hiring should be aligned with the overall business strategy. That is the fact we should comply with. And as a company, you cannot grow without people. So recruitment and selection strategy should be uh, must be aligned with the overall organizational strategy. So in order to recruiting to be more strategic, it is necessary to identify companies future needs and goal. Based on these needs and goal, the HR team should have to plan for the strategies related to recruitment and hiring the best talent for the organization. So this is all about the strategic trends in talent acquisition. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.